you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? In today's video, we're going to try, hold on, let's let the hair down. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. We're going to try doing some twist with some mousse. I picked up some mousse from my beauty supply store. I think I tried doing a wash and go with a mousse before. I don't think I've really tried doing twist. To try a twist out, you guys have seen my recent twist out. I'm gonna just use this as a mic. You guys have seen my recent twist out video. Hopefully you watched it, right? So we're gonna try doing some twist with some mousse today. So let's start with the section at the back. The mousse we're going to be using today is by African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Soft and Smooth Curl Mousse. Sets, holds, and adds shine to natural coils and curls. I purchased this for $8.99. So let's start at the back. As I said, my hair feels good from my wash day. Mousse is different. I feel like with mousse, when you apply it on the whole section, it just dries out pretty quickly. What to do? You guys already know the size. We're going for medium sized. So let's break this in half. So it's gonna be about that size. Well, just for the back. Start application. It smells pretty good. It does smell like rose water. Put that on the hair. Okay, the moisture is there. It's giving some form of curl definition. But as I said, I'm going to twist. I'm gonna braid the roots first. So have you guys tried using a mousse only for your twist? We're also going to detangle. I'm applying some more mousse on the ends because I don't think it's doing much for the ends as yet. We're twisting. I think I'm going to add some gel on the ends, to be honest, because I don't feel like it's doing much for the ends, as I said. So this is what the ends look like, and the twist is juicy. We love it. Juicy twist. Okay, I'm gonna break this section down into two, but I'm gonna add the product on the big section first and see how it works that way. Detangle. It is moisturizing. Is it giving the most moisture? Not really, but it's responding like a mousse, you know. And we're twisting. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I just washed my hair and I wanted a style really quick that is gonna last me today and tomorrow. Ends look like twist number 2. Hey, this was the next day. And guys, have you ever started doing your hair, you're motivated to finish, and then boom, you just changed your mind while doing your hair? I did about 2, 3, 4 twists and I was like, I don't want to do this again. I switched it up and did a different style, and I revisited the style the next day. I mean, we change our mind sometimes. I do this a lot, to be honest. Change my mind mid doing my hair and try again the next day. I just didn't feel like finishing. So here we are, finally completing what we said we were going to do. But I think this was a sign, you know. I think this was really a sign, because stay tuned for what happens next. Good morning, guys. So ignore the clothes at the back. Hair is fully dried now. It does feel like dry. Oh, this is Monday, by the way. Do you know that feeling you get from mousse? You know the shrinkage is real. I'm gonna rock it into the same ponytail that you guys saw me put it in when I did the video on how I did these. But I'm making it tighter today, so I'm rocking it twice. I did want to put some gel on the ends, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. On my way to work. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and we're in a better mood today. Y'all, while I take this out, I'm just gonna say, not me again. Not me again. Hold on. The hair is dry. The hair feels like I applied no sort of product in my hair. I'm sure the hair is breaking as well. Seeing some split ends popping up. And this is what, day 2? And this makes no sense. Who sent me? Who really sent me? So anyway, I'm gonna unravel to see what it looks like. It's a no for me. So let's unravel this one. The hair has no form of moisture, like no type of moisture, nothing. She's flaking as well. That may be from the gel. Actually, it's from the mousse as well. Depressing. So I'm just gonna unravel and just probably wet my hair and do some braids. Guys, imagine if I actually used the right product for my hair. This twist out would have been popping. Like the volume, the curls, the shrinkage, the shape. It would have looked so nice. But no. But I think I knew that mousse does not work for my hair. Maybe you guys can recommend a mousse for me to try. But if this was the right product, this twist out would have been looking so good. Like imagine me fluffing it out and like the I'm going to put my hair up, take a shower, and co-wash my hair, and then we're going to try a different style. Yeah, we're probably gonna go with a braid out. I haven't tried a braid out in so long. Obviously twist outs are unpredictable. Thursday, Friday is the prize giving ceremony for the schools that I teach, so I need my hair to look somewhat decent in this process of trying different products. Came out of the shower. Well, after I came out of the shower a couple minutes ago, I put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I followed my quick wash day hair routine. I'ma just use what works because for the past couple of weeks I haven't been properly, let's say, moisturizing my hair and doing my regular routine because I've been trying different products. So I'm just gonna braid my hair a middle part, some chunky braids using grease. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to be using the Blue Magic Originals castor oil grease. You guys already know how I feel about this. It's not my favorite grease of them all, but it's okay. And I'm trying to finish it. It's almost done. I'm probably not gonna finish it from this sitting. I do want to finish it, so when I'm done with all of them, I can just go back to buying my favorite. But I still have the olive oil one to try. Is it the olive oil? Did I try the olive oil one? And the coconut. So ever since I trimmed my hair, my shape is looking okay. I haven't leave-in conditioner in my hair. I use the Blue Magic Argan oil. I'm trying to finish this one up as well. It's almost done and it's okay. The only thing I don't really like about that particular leave-in conditioner is that it doesn't mix well with other products at all. Anything I tried mixing it with, especially with my gels and so, but it's very moisturizing for my hair and strengthening. I have this section, the Tangle. Split this in half. Okay, I want it to at least be even. Not even, straight. Have the grease. Applying a generous amount. This is... what size would you call this? I won't say dime-sized amount. Not even quarter size. Focus on the ends and drag the product up. Detangle. Again. Drop the brush. I mean, I don't intentionally do that. I put it on my lap and it usually falls. Anyway, break into 3 and braid. I don't really like styling my hair on freshly washed hair. It's just so messy for me. But since I have some time, let's just do the hair one time for the one time. Yeah. Detangle again, especially on the ends so the ends can be smooth. And I'm not braiding all the way to the ends. When I get a close enough distance, twist and trim just a little bit so my ends can start getting thicker again. And we have our first braid. So yeah, the leave-in conditioner, as I said, it makes my hair so soft and manageable. I just wish it mixed well with other products. Apply a little bit by little as I get closer to the ends. Just rake it through my hair. Tangle again, close to the ends, and just twirl. I'll probably end up putting gel on my ends either way. Trim a little bit of the ends. And yeah, that's all we're going to do. I'm trying to watch the Umbrella Academy on Netflix, but every time I watch it I fall asleep. I saw a trailer for season 3 and it looked lit, so I was like, why am I falling asleep so much in season 1? I'm gonna try. And we are done. It took me about an hour, I would say, a little less than an hour. They're medium chunky medium. They're not too big and they're not too small. Or are they medium size? I don't know. I don't think so. It's a little bigger than my average size. I'm gonna apply some gel on the ends just to keep my ends from unraveling, because my ends do that, and to keep my ends together. And you guys know the hair is going into a ponytail. Boom, shake, shake, boom, shake, shake. I haven't worn my hair braided in so long, so we're gonna rock this for the next. Today's Tuesday. I'm not sure about Thursday, but I'll check in with you guys as the days progress. So see you tomorrow. Hope. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday, and this is the day after doing the braids. I had to wrap it up to shower and work out. Gonna put it back into the ponytail. My hair is still kind of wet. Yeah, so we're just gonna rock this braided ponytail for today, and I don't know, I might unravel tomorrow, so I just wanted to come in real quick and share with you guys, or show you what the hair is looking like. Now I'm about to go to work, so see you tomorrow. Guys, the next day, Thursday, we rocked a wrap. Okay, put some edge control on my edges, and I wore a head wrap because I don't know, I just haven't been in the mood to do my hair, so I was like, we just gonna wrap it up anyway. We are done, out the door, let's go. Good morning, guys. Let me take these shades off. Oh, we're already sweating. Today's Friday and the hair is wrapped again. I could have done my hair, but I don't feel like it. I'm going out to dinner this weekend, so I'm gonna do my hair then so I can film a video for my social, kill 3-4 birds in one stone with one stone. I'm eating an apple. On the beautiful Saturday, Razor decided to go for a sleek low bun that she will be doing or posting a tutorial on her YouTube channel. So you may want to stick around for that if you want to see exactly how she did this low textured sleek bun. On to Sunday. The heat, okay? So today is Sunday. Yesterday you guys saw that I rocked a bun, so today I just refreshed the front and let my hair out in the back. My dad is about to air out my tires. Thank you guys so much for watching this hair vlog. We're going to close it out on today, Sunday. See you guys in the next one. Bye.